In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bill. So first thing you want to do is that you want to go to accounting and then you select bills. And here you can see the bills that's already been uploaded, but you can also add a new bill by click add bill up here. Before we go to the actual bills, I want to go through vendors. So if you go down to maintenance and click vendors, here you see all the vendors that you have added to your system. Now every time you add a bill, you have to add the bill to a vendor. So for example, I can add a new vendor here called Home Depot. The only thing you need to do is just input a name. Everything else here is optional that you can add in as you go and as you need it. So now I created a vendor here called Home Depot. So if I now go back to accounting and click bills, I can now add a bill here. And up in vendor, I can select Home Depot. If I wanted to, I could also add a new vendor from here, so Lowe's, for example. And they're automatically selected. I can select what day we got the bill and when it's due. Let me change that to the 24th, for example. And here you get the option if this is a property bill or a company bill. Property bills and company bills are different in that a property bill is an expense for the property, where a company bill is an expense for you as a property manager. So this is because MagicDoor supports also doing the accounting for your property management company, not just the buildings. But in this case here, as long as it's repair being done to building, it will most of the time be a property bill. You then select what building it's for. In this case here, I select the Griffin building. And I can now add a memo if I want to, or reference. The most important thing is I need to add line items. So I go down here now and I say this is a repair of $300. And this is for plumbing, as an example. You can click here to upload the PDF or image or whatever you have. You can add more line items here. So for example, do another one. There's a $50 door log fee. So now it's a total of $350. You can click submit. Now you have added your bill here for repairs for Lowe's and it's for $350. You can click on it here and that takes you to the bill where you can update it. So for example, door lock might be one word. You can fix that and click confirm. You can also print the bill from here if you want to. You get the options here to edit the bill or pay the bill from here. So if you want to pay this bill alone, you can do it through this, or you can pay all the outstanding bills by clicking the pay bills up here.